Case conversion methods in Python are built-in string methods used to change the case of characters in strings. Python strings are immutable, meaning once you create a string, you cannot change its content. If you try to modify a string, a new string is created instead of modifying the original. So these methods don't modify the original string, but instead return a new string with the changed case. You can use these methods on a string variable directly on the string literal or pass the string as an argument. Python provides several built-in methods for case conversion. Upper method converts all lowercase characters in the string to uppercase. In this example, the string S1 is converted to uppercase using the upper method. Returns a new string with all lowercase alphabetic characters converted to uppercase. Non-alphabetic characters like digits, punctuation, or spaces are not affected. Unicode character Latin small letter E with acute accent is also converted to uppercase. In this example, the upper method is used directly on the string literal. You can also explicitly pass the string as an argument to the upper method. If the input strings contain only uppercase characters, the original string is returned. A new string is not created. If the input strings contain a combination of uppercase characters, numbers, or symbols, the original string is returned. Basically, if no character in a string is modified, then the original string is returned. Lower method converts all uppercase characters in the string to lowercase. In this example, the string S1 is converted to lowercase using the lower method. If the input string contains only lowercase characters, numbers, or symbols, the original string is returned. Title method capitalizes the first letter of each word in the string. In this example, the first letter in each word in string S1 is converted to uppercase using the title method. All the other characters are converted to lowercase. Only alphabetic characters are considered as the start of a new word in the title function. Non-alphabetic characters are ignored and the alphabetic character after that is converted to uppercase. In this example, at and 243 are ignored and R and A are considered as start of new words and converted to uppercase. Limitations of title method. Words with apostrophes. It treats the character after the apostrophe as the start of a new word. In this example, don't and toms contain apostrophe. T and S should not be capitalized. Words with a hyphen, it capitalizes each part of a hyphenated word, which might be incorrect depending on context. The phrase well known is okay, but in names like Mary Jane or phrases like re-enter, capitalizing both parts may be undesirable. For all uppercase words, since title method lowercases every character except the first, names and acronyms are not preserved. NASA is an acronym and should be uppercase. McDonald's has a specific internal capitalization, a camel case. Capitalize method converts the first character of a string to uppercase and the rest to lowercase. In this example, only the first character H is converted to uppercase. If the first character in a string is a non-alphabetical character, then all the other characters are converted to lowercase. Swapcase method is used to switch the case of each character in a string. Uppercase characters become lowercase and vice versa. To download practice Python file, please click on the link in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.